Facial hair is a problem for women of all ages, and removing it hurts. Until now, introducing the next generation Flawless from Finishing Touch, the gold standard in at-home facial hair removal. Now even faster, easier, and more effective. Flawless is designed to be discreet,
This looks like a lipstick. Actually, a very fancy lipstick.
but inside is the finest engineering. Now with an 18-karat gold-plated double ring head for quicker, more precise hair removal. And with new floating technology, it contours to the curves of your face to remove hair instantly and painlessly with micro precision.
It just takes seconds, really, to get your whole face done.
Hypoallergenic and gentle on all skin types and tones. Flawless is the fastest, easiest, pain-free way to remove unwanted facial hair in the comfort of your own home, guaranteed.
I'm able to get the smoothness of waxing without pain or redness.
A built-in light makes it easy to see and remove every single hair from your upper lip, cheek, or chin. No nicks, burns, or irritation.
I have little tiny hairs all over my face. Flawless is really effective. Without that peach fuzz, my skin is so smooth. My makeup goes on flawlessly.
Discreet and portable, so you're always prepared when hairs pop up out of nowhere. And unwanted hair won't grow back thicker. So effective it can remove hair from anywhere, yet gentle and safe to the touch.
I love that I really don't have to wait for the hairs to grow out. I can use it every day if I want.
This is the only way that I've been able to get that flawless, smooth look with my makeup.